I'm Jeremy.
No, I'm Erica.
Comment,
this is my cousin
subscribe,
Jeremy.
comment,
I'm really
subscribe,
tired.
and rate to my channel or this video. Twitter followers, no thanks, and Alyssa Babe.
And shout out to my boyfriend.
I love you very much. No homo.
Okay.
Okay, this song is...
What's the song
This
called?
song's called Moment in Time by Cherish.
Wanna do the beatbox cover?
Yeah, okay,
Let's
that's
scratch.
enough talking.
Okay.
I know most times I'm far away, but still I'm missing you. I said some things that I regret, but I'll make it up to you. Baby, I can't breathe when you touch my body, when your heart beats like music to me. And I can't see my life without you, and baby, it's all up to you. If I can make time stand still, then I know we'd live this moment forever. You stay right here. You don't have to go, baby, close that door. I really hate missing you. I'd rather be kissing you. Don't know what I would do if I couldn't make love to you over and over and over. And I wish that I could live this moment in time. Okay.
It's good?
Bye.
Okay.
That's enough.